This is Anvanda, a great fucking bag. Over the last few years, we've done extensive research on bags, and after asking thousands of people, we found the number one use of bags. To carry shit. So we created Anvanda, a great fucking bag. It has two features. It carries shit, and it looks fucking great. Anvanda doesn't have solar panels, smart sensors, or an app. It just carries shit. Our pocket system follows a unique philosophy. There's no special pocket for your battery pack or your wooden necklace. Just put your shit in whichever pocket you want. It's your fucking bag. Anvanda can hold over 10 billion different items. Here are a few examples. Yes, it can hold the sweater mom bought you. We don't judge. Anvanda comes with straps, because we realize you need straps to carry a bag to carry your shit. Since we didn't want to decide on the way you carry your shit inside Anvanda, you can move the straps around and carry it in a few different ways. Like this, or like this. Great options. To help moving the straps around, we use the unique method of hooks, and to close the bag, we're using something known as zippers. Our hooks are made of zinc iron, and the zippers are top-of-the-line YKK zippers. It's a simple bag, but high quality. Our bags are lined with the best quality leather we could find, aka full-grain Italian leather. But if you don't like leather, there's a leather-free option made from the best not leather material. Our bag fabric has silver in it to keep bacteria and bad smells out, so you can even put smelly shit in your bag without worrying it'll harm the rest of your shit. Fuck it, we do have a third feature. Anvanda comes in many colors, and all of them look fucking great. Some might say they look really fucking great. We'll allow it. Whatever color you choose, you can rest assured you'll be able to carry your shit in it. You can use Anvanda at school, at the office, or at the bus stop. Really, anywhere you can carry a bag to. It can be used by both guys and girls. Now that's freaking versatile. Anvanda was made by people who wanted to make a bag that can carry shit and look great while doing it. So they thought about it, designed it, probably ate something in the process, and now it's here. So if you need a great fucking bag, this is a great fucking bag. It's also pretty affordable, so it's a no-brainer. Great bag, carries shit, reasonably priced, and looks fucking great. What more do you need? Shit to put in bag not included. Anvanda, a great fucking bag.